Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
Gang, I don't know. You tell him.
I don't know. I'm not even know what we call it tonight.
I don't know what you make, but it's something.
I'm gonna call it chicken Philly hoagie.
Yeah. Whatever you
I might change the name in the title. It might be different. I'm gonna think of it. But it's basically a rotisserie chicken from Sam's. Remember we had Sam last week, and I told you I was gonna do something with that chicken. I got another rotisserie chicken, chopped it up, added some onions, not my onions, just onions. Seasoned it, add some barbecue sauce, a little bit of spice, sauteed it, and I toasted my bread. Added some pepper jack cheese and also some mozzarella cheese. But you know what? Before I keep on going, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know you like it because I love it. Something simple and different. So check it out.
So family, I made some onion rings and some fries. These fries are Arby's fries. They sell them in the freezer section, and I wanted to give them a try. Can I have the
chocolate?
Yes. So like I said, what I did was I added some mayo to the bread. Mayo, and I added some pepper jack cheese.
Fabi, don't worry. I gotta tell you something later on. But we don't. First, you want to talk. Want to talk? Explain what you got over here. Oh. Don't drop. Almost slip out of my hand.
I'm so thirsty.
You know we gotta have it for the New Year. We gotta keep grinding with the grace. You know, grace in the building, AKA. This look good. This is something I know y'all do this too. Like when you have leftover stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know y'all fried up, but you listen, we cook up everything, son. We don't play.
But
Everything, B.
the leftover fried rotisserie chicken from Sam's last week, there was no leftover.
Yeah, no, we ain't got no leftover for that one. I just want you to clarify that because you know she love talking business. We ain't got no leftover for that. I'll let you know. Look at this one, good. First, they put your hand up there real quick.
Put it closer, baby.
Yeah. Sharp, I can't see no man, yo. They see it?
I don't know. You see, you have something.
I have no clothes, you know. I gotta be careful when I get up now. Let's take a bite. See that? Wow, it's dropping out already. Wow. All right, family. First, take a bite with me. There we go. You see? Onion lovers, take it.
Okay.
All right, we got something here. Give them a bite because
they said I share.
Yeah.
You can't chatty.
Okay. Taste this. That was good. Okay.
Onions.
This bread is nice. I don't like my bread too hard too.
Yeah, I know.
I don't like my bread hard. And too country. We cut out my gum.
Yeah.
Do you like your bread toasted like that? I don't know. No way. I like my bread.
Listen. Okay.
What?
Remember I told you guys that I went out and I bought every single color in these sweatsuits? This is the next one. So I showed you how you can dress it up. Just throw on a simple pair of heels and you dress it up. A nice little pocketbook and some bamboo earrings, at least two pair. A Fendi bag with a bad attitude.
You got a Fendi bag? Shit, now you telling people you have a Fendi bag, cause I know you get
a Fendi bag.
First lady has a Fendi bag, boy. If she wanted it, I could get it. Right, first lady want first lady get, right? You're not offending money. We're not offending money.
You're not offending money. You have fake money.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Family.
Oh!
Don't eat that shit over now.
I must feel the some.
Shot too much, that's why. What's it then? How your day been, man? We talk too much sometimes. You gotta talk to us. We just have time. I'm into y'all. What y'all eating, man? For real.
This is so good.
Arby fries. Somebody doing them? Arby fries with Chick-fil-A sauce. Nice. Awesome. Our day been good, you know? Same old, same old. Running around.
I don't know what you're eating because the fries them tough.
No, it's crunchy.
And crunchy? Guys, if you only knew what happened behind the scenes.
Let's eat some more. I'm gonna show you what happened behind the scene. I'll show you when you're not used to some things. But we gonna get there though. Okay?
It is so good, okay?
It is. We don't play. It's everything together. You know? Mango punch, you know? Simple. Can't shoot them too much, you know, because they're not sponsored. They're not sponsored me.
You want a lot of sponsor.
Damn right. I need a sponsor for 2020, son. That could do it for the day like you. Pearl. This might be a short video.
Why? Are you almost done?
Yeah, I'm almost done. There's no food on the table. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's a teaser. I know you gotta eat them teaser now.
Something about pepper jack cheese I really like.
It brings out the whatever you're making, it tastes good with it.
Yeah.
Remember putting on the fish sandwich? God damn.
It was so good in a fish sandwich. It's like it makes it's more juicy. I don't know if that makes sense because it's cheese.
You want a napkin?
Yes, please. Because it's cheese, you know? Like your fall.
I seen the comments, a lot of people say they like your hair. That's nice.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. A lot of people like your hair. That's good.
I'm gonna get to. We're trying to catch up with the comments then because
We are still
holiday,
busy.
because of the holiday and stuff like that. So we're getting back on track, guys.
Yeah, don't be mad, okay? We gonna get there. You know what I'm saying? But you know how it is. Life behind YouTube.
Life still goes on,
Life still goes on. But we gonna get there though, so bear with us, okay, family? Don't be mad. You know we gonna come back to y'all. You know that.
Alright, Chick-fil-A sauce.
Want you to know?
We're looking at the sandwich for.
Nice. We got it on deck, you know that.
I made sure that I didn't make your bread. I made your bread just right because yeah, he doesn't like his bread hard.
Don't
I like my bread crunchy.
That bread tough. I like my bread. I don't like it so hard, you know. I can't enjoy that. Yo, the RB fries is the same thing when they sell, you know, they small fries like that, but with these fries, it fools you up enough.
Yeah.
Wow.
We gotta do a thumbnail. I'll be forgetting. I'll just bite it.
You know what?
Every look at the camera. It's alright. I'll fix it.
You know what I like when I go to Arby's? Family? I don't know if you like Arby's too. If you have where you're at, cause everybody knows the same thing, but I like getting the
gyro.
The gyro. The Greek one. If you haven't tried it, if you haven't tried anything, try that Greek. Yeah, try that Greek gyro. Yeah.
We should do that. We gotta do Arby's on Fast Food Friday.
Try it.
Their milkshake is banging.
Where?
That's a dog.
There you go.
Did she? You saw your face, you're like, Sasha, stop it.
All the time. This dog is different, yo. He have a food and don't want to eat it, yo. You gotta put sauce and pepper on this?
I'm not sure. So, family, I don't know if you noticed it, but I barely had any onion rings. So I noticed Richie wanted to tell you the pasta.
Yes. Good.
And you love to help on me?
So family, we already told you that Mr. Famous son Vincent go buy first lady a convection oven, aka air fryer. I never see an air fryer look so good. I get a little clip. I sneak a little clip in here for you. I make you see, but it look like a convection oven. Anyways, first lady do not know how to work that convection oven, aka air fryer. All right, we're new to it, right? We're not a big timers, so we don't have an air fryer. We just got it, you know. We're excited and stuff like that, you know. When you're excited, you don't want to read no book or you don't watch no video. We just want to try it by ourselves. We in here. I'm in there. And we won't get ready. I hear Fred say, "What's burning? What's burning?" So what's burning? You know what's burning, right? She went out there in the kitchen. The air fryer. Remember, the air fryer, though? And it don't work out. Imagine having had to use oil. Why would that happen? But anyway, she's about to say, "Oh my God, I burned up the onion rings. That's why I shouldn't have no onion rings." So look now. Make sure you see good. Look at the onion rings, family.
Richie, you really bring the onion rings out.
You're not used to stuff. Look at this, family. Look at the damn onion rings.
You really bring the onion rings out here
Yes,
to come.
I did. I showed them.
my youth.
Yes, my youth. You have no fuse. I tell you, go. You watch video. Look at this onion rings. Man, first lady burn up the onion rings in the air fryer to hell. That's why I say it's a convection oven. We don't know how to use it, family, but we're gonna learn. You know what I'm saying? It happens. You live and you learn. But first, I have to show them first.
You really go pick out the onion rings out of the garbage to come show them.
Yes, but listen. Everybody always do something wrong. We're new to it, so we got to give her a break. Okay, we gonna learn it. But listen, that was burned, and that's an air fryer. And we don't know how to use it, so we have to learn how to use it first.
And no, I'm not watching a video. I'm gonna figure it out.
Figure it out ourselves. But yo, right now the house smoke up. Like we having a barbecue inside the house.
No, I never see a person love snitch so much.
Yeah, man, snitch 9. But from you that, we don't know about no air fryer. I ain't gonna lie. Trust me.
Right?
You want more juice?
All the time now. Can I believe it?
That's right. It's not snitching. I'm just showing that we don't know how to use it. You know what I'm saying?
A snitch, yeah, snitch.
I'm just showing the family. You call that snitching? I'm being honest. If I say she know how to use it now and show you that picture now, then I say, Richie, she don't know how to use that thing. She don't. So I'm just showing what happened.
Stop.
But yeah. But we gonna learn it. She burned it up.
I burned it up.
First lady never burned nothing like that on a regular stove, but she gonna burn the air fryer to hell.
Because the buttons them, it makes you think that you have it on air fry or bake or whatever, but you don't. Because it was done. And I said, okay, let me put it back in the air fryer and put it on warm. Because the one that Vincent got is really nice. Like it air fry, it bakes, it rotisserie, it's an oven,
and convection
oven.
Fryer. And do everything.
It can dry food. Like if you wanna, let's say you have like a meat and you wanna take all the moisture out of it to make like beef jerky. It's really high tech, family.
High tech. We're not used to that.
Let me tell you something.
You used to it.
I thought it was on warm. And they did up on bake at 450 to backside and put on a damn onion.
450. Cook. Oh.
See?
The word, I'm talking too much. Word of wisdom. Word of wisdom. Okay. What we got for y'all today, lovely people? This sandwich is good though.
Good.
Family, first lady. All right, you ready for it? Remember, you are a different person now than before. You are wiser and stronger for the trial that you have been through. All right.
Read it again, and let me hear you.
They Alright, I'm gonna read it for you again, because you didn't hear. Family, remember you are a different person now than before. You are wiser and stronger for the trial that you have been through. Alright? So there we go. Word of wisdom. So if you believe that you're a different person than before, calm it down.
Ooh, I am full family.
We shared with y'all.
Take one more bite though.
We appreciate y'all. Thank you for tuning in. Told you it was gonna be a short one today, you know? Sometimes it gets like that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are First Lady?
The Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Bye.